Before we get started in this video, just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because I got more content I'm going to be posting. So just to be up to date on the things that I have as far as putting together the car, just go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know what's next. All right, YouTube, so as you can see, I got the 8 T-bolts that go for the rear axle for the retainers, which are here. So I have the 8 bolts that go here for me to put it on the rear end. I'll also install the bearings, some new bearings for the spool because I couldn't get the old bearings off the other differential. So I have the bearings installed on both sides. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start installing the spool inside the rear end and put it together. All right, YouTube, so as you can see, I just installed the main cap studs. They have to be torqued down to 10 foot-pounds, and then the nut has to be torqued down to 90 foot-pounds. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get that done. It also comes with washers for each nut, and I also have the other ones here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start torquing down these main cap studs, then we're gonna torque down the nuts. All right, YouTube, so I got the differential torque down. It's in there. I need to put some shims over here, but I don't think that it'll be a problem, but I'm gonna go ahead and fix this. I'll go ahead and put my shims in here. All right, YouTube, so I'm gonna go ahead and be installing the T-bolts in the back of the housing. So the bolts are gonna go just like this here. I'm gonna install all 4 bolts, and then I'll turn you guys back on. All right, YouTube, we now have the car has a rolling chassis, so easily can roll. And I have this thing squatted to the ground. It's real low. So we're gonna see what happens when I put the body on. But I have both axles in and the spoiler's inside.